Hello, Mary Elizabeth. Do you know who I am?
Mr. Bowlds.
Mr. Bowlds. Okay. What do I do at school? Do you know what I do at the school?
You tell everybody what to do.
Oh, Mary Elizabeth. Nail on the head. High five. That's right. Okay. So, what do you think I do all day long then? I just walk around telling people what to do?
You work in your office.
Work in my office. Yep. What do you think I do in my office all day?
Do important work.
Important work. Mary Elizabeth, you're my favorite so far. Okay. Okay. What's your favorite part of the school day? What do you love to do? Because you're in, whose class are you in?
Miss Masters.
Miss Masters. Okay. What do you do all day in her classroom?
Morning centers and afternoon centers.
Centers and stuff. So tell me about your centers. What's this 5 center? I've never heard of that. What's that one?
It's iPads of books.
Oh.
Some read to us and some don't. So the ones that don't read to us, we can just look at the pictures. But the one we do read to us, they just read the words.
Oh, that's pretty. And you just follow along while you read it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty special. What's your favorite word? Do you have a favorite word?
Eagle?
Eagle? Oh, again, another high five. That's great.
Eagle pride!
Eagle pride! That's right, Mary Elizabeth. Okay, Mary Elizabeth, well, guess what? In a couple weeks, we're going to have an open house, okay, for our school. Do you know what an open house is?
It's a house that's open.
Mary Elizabeth, that's a house that's open. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to open all of our doors, and we're going to let a bunch of little boys and little girls come and see what's inside the school and see what Stratford's like. What would you tell people if they couldn't decide? They're like, I might go to this school or I might go to Stratford. Mary Elizabeth, why should I go to Stratford? What would you say?
Because it's cool.
Because it's cool? You think we have a cool school? Yep. You're smarter than last year, right? Because you've been in more school. So tell me something you've learned. What's new?
4 and 4 make 8.
Oh my goodness.
And 3 and 3 make 6. And 5 and 1 make 6. And 4 and 2 make 6.
Oh my goodness, Mary Elizabeth.
I know what apples in Spanish.
What is it?
La manzana.
Oh my goodness. You can't count in Spanish though. You probably can't count.
Yes.
Count to 5 in Spanish.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
Oh my goodness, Mary Elizabeth. You are so smart.
I can even do it to 20.
To 20?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. I don't believe you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, this is your third high five. That is awesome. Okay. So is Spanish like your favorite? Do you like learning Spanish?
But we're going to do Spanish today.
You're doing Spanish today? Okay. What about in science? What are you learning in science?
Gravity?
Gravity? What about the snacks here? Do you like the snacks you get at school?
Yeah.
You do? What's your favorite snack?
Goldfish?
Goldfish? Oh, I love goldfish. What do you think a hard math question would be? Like what's a hard math question to you?
I know that 300 plus 300 makes 600.
Nothing's hard for you, Mary Elizabeth.
Nothing.
Okay, ask me a math question. Let me show you my math skills.
Okay. What's 30 plus 30?
30 plus 30? 50. Did I get it right?
Nope.
What's the right answer then?
60? I knew it was 60.
Okay, what do you want to be when you grow up? Do you know what you want to be when you grow up yet?
Teacher?
A teacher? Your mom's a teacher, isn't she?
Well, she used to be.
She used to be a teacher. That's right. That's right. You can't think of any questions to ask me?
Give him a really hard question.
Oh, a little scared.
Okay. Do you know how gravity works?
I know that it works.
But,
I know that what goes up must come down.
Well, outer space has less gravity.
That is true. That's why.
And down in the Earth has more gravity.
That's right. Who taught you that?
I knew that.
You just knew it. That's magic. Okay. Well, Mary Elizabeth, I've had fun. Okay. Give me a high five, girlie.